Person coming through. Move, person coming through.
She said I got you. I'll do it again. Nate, watch
She's
out.
like, look at me go.
Move, person coming through. Yeah.
Careful. What are you doing in my place?
Hey, take this. I gotta go wash my hands because I got pee-pee. Okay. I'm gonna go wash my hands real quick.
Oh my goodness. Go, what are you doing?
You're all over the place, little girl.
You spicy. Oh, you like little firecracker.
There's Enzo playing in the ball pit.
Oh, look at him.
You want to grab Koa?
Okay,
Why?
She was trying to get
Look,
over on the
look.
other side.
excuse me.
Look.
Yep, put them down, let them play. They haven't had all this space until just now. Let them down and let them play. You guys,
They're
get
excited.
out of
That's
there.
why
please.
they're not even scared. Like, they're really not. They're like, oh, yeah, this is the best thing I've ever seen in my life. They are. They're like,
They're trying to eat the drill.
yeah, why don't you come out here, Nate, and let them play for a while? Come on. We're just trying to watch them do their thing, okay?
Can we come back in when they're done?
Yeah, later. Just let them play for a while. What are you doing, spicy girl? Oh!
Can you push that gate back in a little bit?
Oh my goodness. He's like, oh, there's so much room to run.
They're like, oh my god, this is so cool. That's why I tied it off.
They're so cute.
Mom, they keep copying me.
Oh my goodness.
Mom, they keep
Okay, can we stop?
Where are you going? Stop.
He's over here dragging the blankets out.
Oh, Quincy. Hey. Hey. Hey, you. Don't play with that. What? You're attacking? You're attacking? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you fighting? Are we fine? Are we fine? Are we fine?
And so it's like, I'm just gonna rip this thing up.
Oh, look at Crazy. Look at you, Crazy. Look at you, Crazy. Look at you, Crazy. Knock you over and kick your butt. Oh, you want to fight? You want to fight too? I'll fight you. I'll fight you, duty. I'll fight you, duty. I'll fight you. You want to fight too? I'll fight you, duty. What? What?
Nope, Hazy found the ball pit. We're gonna have to get more balls for the ball pit. Looks pretty sad. I wasn't expecting it to be that big.
I'll order some more bowls to go in here. Oh my goodness, you crazy babies. You crazy babies. They love it. They're obsessed. They are not scared at all. Ouchies! No biting! Hey! There is no biting! There is no biting! This is a no biting zone! This is a no biting zone!
Koa's over there. Oh, no, it's not Koa.
What is happening with you? What
They're so happy to be running away.
They are. They're so happy. Now more room to go play. Look at them. They're all like.
Little Enzo's big chunky butt.
You guys are so cute.
Why is the floor kind of camouflaging into the floor?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Grayson, no. Just stay out there.
They all really like that snuffle mat.
I know.
We got this whole ball pit, and they're like, no, the snuffle mat.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hi, Koa. Are you having so much fun?
Ah! Get away from me.
Hi, Quincy.
Ow!
Oh, no.
They're hurting me. Pee-pee.
Oh, that's fun.
Stop hurting me. It hurts. Do you understand? Stop trying to escape. Stop trying to escape. You're a bad puppy. Even a very, very bad. Ah! You're a very, very bad puppy.
Koa is so happy. She just keeps running and playing everywhere. What do you want?
He's pissed.
What do you want, tough guy?
To kick you. To kick your butt. He's gonna kick your butt.